Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well and my name is Babar and today I will be showing you guys that how you can add tracking order functionality on your website without any paid plugin. Basically, we will be using a free plugin for that purpose. So going digging deep before digging deeper into today's discussion, it will be my humble request that if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and click on that bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you want me to create any sort of like video for you for your specified need, you can comment that below, and you can if you were stuck anywhere through this process, you can just comment down in the section below, and I will be there. I will be more than glad to help you out. Okay. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to log into the dashboard of your website. First of all, so once you are logged into your website, the dashboard of your website, you will see this kind of stuff over there. And so I guess you know what to do next. So the very next process is to install that plugin and onto your website. Let me just basically the name of that plugin is Advanced Tracking for WooCommerce. That sort of name it does have. Basically, I have that plugin on my PC, so I will just install it this way. Advanced shipment tracking. This kind of it basically it have this kind of name. I will be giving the link in the description below, so you guys don't have to mess around, and you can just click on the description and the link in the description, and you can download the video, download the plugin and install it on your website. Once it is installed, you just have to activate it and just okay. So once the plugin is activated, you see advanced shipment tracking for WooCommerce by Zoram. Okay, this will be the plugin we will be using. So once it is installed, you just have to go into the orders page, and you all knows you are all masters of WooCommerce. So you all knows that we have all listing of all sorts of we have listings of all sorts of email of all sorts of orders over here. So what you need to do is for that specific order, for which order you need to you want to add the shipment tracking details. You just need to right click and open that order in detail page. So this one look like that detail page of of the order. And on this page you might have noticed that we have a new section over here saying shipment tracking. You just need to add tracking info. There will we will have that tracking number. Testing maybe 1 2 3. I'm just doing it for the sake of testing, just to show you guys. And second one will be like shipping provider. We have all sorts of like shipping provider listed over here. You just need to select the one that you have used for this specific order, and you can select a date from this date picker, and you can save the tracking details. So yeah, this is the complete basically process. It is just it's a bit straightforward thing. But if you're stuck anywhere, or if you want me to do this, or if you want my services regarding this, you can just comment down below, and I will be there to help you guys. Basically, I do freelancing on Fiverr regarding these sort of WooCommerce customization, WooCommerce things. And if you're that curious, if you want me to do that for you, you can always contact me. And one more thing that I wanted to mention over here, that all of you guys know that WooCommerce has all sorts of emails that are responsible for once the new order is created, the email is generated to and sent to the customer, and like so we have all sorts of emails like order on hold, order processing, order completed, refunded, or and those sort of thing. So the tracking order details will be shown on completed order email to the client. But for that, but for that, we have a simple kind of thing that the order need to be in completed status. Once the order is in completed status, the client will receive an email, this completed order email, and this email will have the details of the tracking information. And somehow it's not working for you guys, you can just comment down below, and you can. I'm always I'm always giving my personal contact information in the description, so you can contact me directly if you want to. And please, again, at last, uh, subscribe to the channel, and please like the video and comment down below. And thank you so much, and stay tuned for the next video. I'll be uploading a lot of videos regarding WooCommerce and WordPress. So thank you. Take care. Bye bye.